You understand that all of the mitzvot are commanded on you, even if you're not doing them, even if you're not ready for them. And if Judaism is hard for you, it's not Judaism. What is this like? I think I told you guys the story with the suitcase. I tell you guys a story with the suitcase? No? It was one, well, in case one of you guys heard it, I'll say it again in case somebody didn't hear it. So one time, there was a businessman came into the office. He said, oh, listen, I left my suitcase at the train station. Go get it for me. That was one of his employees, go get it for me. What does it look like? Oh, it's black with a white stripe and a red stripe. It's this big. Okay, no problem. He goes, he comes back, gets to the office, and he sees this worker all the way from across the office, got 10, 15,000 square foot office, and he sees this employee dragging the suitcase. He says, no, it's not my suitcase, it's not my suitcase. He's like, He's like, it's not my suitcase, bring it back. He goes, how do you know it's not your suitcase? It's exactly your description. It's the picture you gave me what your suitcase looks like. This is the suitcase. Got the white stripe, got the red stripe, got the black suitcase, everything is the same. He goes, yes, the outside is the same, but it's not my suitcase. He goes, how do you know it's not your suitcase? I'm over here, 10,000 square. Well, you became prophet? How do you know? Because my suitcase is full of diamonds. So if you were carrying my suitcase, it wouldn't be so heavy. What you're carrying is very heavy, my friend. It cannot be my suitcase. Hashem is telling you, Lo b'shamayimi. The Torah is not in the sky. It's not far from you. It's not on top of a mountain. You were created to obey it. You were created to follow it. If it's hard for you, it's not my Torah. Because my Torah is diamonds, my friend. My Torah is your natural inclination is to follow it. You were created for it. It's what you were made for. Meaning that if it's hard for you, it's only because you didn't follow the instructions, because you made your own, you didn't have a Rav. You went to the mikveh in the middle of Siberia a week after you started keeping Shabbat. You started doing 3-hour Bodedut instead of learning Torah. You started fasting once a week. When you don't even know what a fast is, Bechlan, you have a hard time fasting on Yom Kippur. You're doing things that's not written in my Torah. It's not for you, my friend. My Torah is not hard. My Torah is natural. My Torah is enjoyable. My Torah is beautiful. When you follow my Torah, it's 100% diamonds. When you don't follow my Torah, not only do you get punished for it, but you suffer doing it.